Traveling can be extremely hard on your body as well as your mind. This relaxing and soothing practice will help you after a long flight. We're going to start in a comfortable seated position. Place your hands on your knees with the palms facing down. I want you to feel this sense of grounding and connection because we've been flying, right? It's about grounding down, relaxing, and letting go. Close your eyes and breathe deeply in through your nose, nice and slow. And then exhale out of your mouth. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out of the mouth. One more like this. Deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Seal your lips now. Relax the tongue in your mouth and just continue to breathe in and out through your nose. You want to use this breathing practice throughout our time. Deep inhale and exhales through your nose, relaxing the shoulders with each exhalation, feeling yourself grounding and rooting to the earth. One more breath. Slowly begin to open your eyes, and you're going to take your hands, interlace your fingers, and spin your palms towards me. Relax your shoulders and make sure your wrists are in line with your shoulders. Just press your palms out and stretch your upper back. So what happens when we're sitting on the plane, we're really crouched and tight, right? I don't know how much smaller they can get those seats. So just take your time, press those arms out, and then slowly lift the arms over your head. And then relax your shoulders. Breathe in, lift your chest, open up, and then exhale, come back to neutral. Inhale, lift your chest up, open, and exhale back to neutral. Inhale, press the palms up once again. Release the fingertips now and reach them up to the sky. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, you're going to drop your right hand to the floor and sweep your left arm up and over your head. Go as deep as you possibly can, whilst also keeping your hips rooted to the mat. If it feels comfortable, maybe even gaze up past your top arm, draw your rib cage back. Take a deep breath in, maybe inch your fingertips out and go a little bit further over. Take 2 more breaths here. Deep inhale, exhale, last breath. Inhale, come back to center, reach your fingertips up, and let's shift over to the left side. Drop your left hand down. Sweep your right arm up and over your head, palm facing in. Press down through your right hip. Inch your fingertips out, go a little deeper. Again, keep your rib cage drawing back, your chest forward, and your heart lifting up. You should feel this nice stretch to the side body as well as your armpit. Take another deep breath in, exhale. Make your way back to center, and let's switch the crossing of the legs, maybe even shake them out a little bit. Sit up nice and tall once again. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and then exhale, twist to your right side. So you're gonna drop your right fingertips behind your hips, bring your left hand to your knee, breathe in, grow long through your spine again, exhale, start to spiral around and twist. So I love taking twisting postures, and oddly enough, when you're actually on the plane, you can actually take this easy twist. It might freak your neighbors out, but your spine will feel better afterwards. Take a few more deep breaths in, exhale, gently twist. One more deep breath in, exhale, twist. Slowly make your way back to center, and let's twist to the left side. Breathing in, drop your left fingertips behind you, right hand to your knee. Elongate the spine on the inhalation, exhale, spiral yourself around. So spinal twists are also really good for the spine and your shoulders, your chest, you're opening up, but it's also really good for your hips as well. Take 3 more breaths. Deep inhale, exhale, twist. Relax those shoulders. 1 more breath. Inhale, slowly make your way back to center. Deep breath in and exhale. We're gonna slowly make our way onto our backs and kind of work on the legs a little bit. So take your time, roll onto your back. You're gonna bend your knees, draw the legs in towards your chest. we're gonna start to get into the hips. So what happens when we're sitting in the chair and we're really, really tight and strained and those chairs are really, really snug and there's not a lot of leg room, our hips automatically tighten up, our groins tighten up. So our little figure four is gonna be perfect for that. Slowly lift the other leg up. And if you look at your legs, you're creating the number 4. You're gonna thread your right hand through your legs and then slide your left arm on the outside. Interlace your fingers around your left hamstring. And then gently draw your legs in closer to your chest. Now the thing that I love doing is using my right forearm and use that to press my right thigh back. And then slowly bring your legs towards your chest. Now in the process of doing this, try to keep your lower back, your tailbone on the mat, as well as your head and shoulders. Keep both feet flexed to ensure safety around your knees. And the closer that the legs come to you, the deeper the stretch. So you kind of play with what feels best for your body. One more breath. All right, and then gently release. Yep, bring both feet back to the floor, maybe even rock your hips a little bit from right to left, kind of massaging your sacrum here. And let's take it to the other side. Cross your left ankle slightly above your right knee. Make sure that left knee is draping open to the side. Lift your right foot off the floor. Continue to flex your right foot, and the knee and ankle on that right leg are almost in line with one another. Thread the needle, so the left arm is going to go through your legs and the right hand is going to wrap on the outside. Interlace your fingers around your right hamstring. Draw the legs close. And again, if you want, use that left forearm to press the left thigh back and away from you as you draw the legs closer. Remember, flex your feet to protect your knees. Stay with your breath. Deep inhale. Exhale. Deep inhale, exhale. Ah, that feels so good. 2 more breaths. And then slowly release. Lower your feet back to the mat. And again, you can just kind of rock your hips from right to left. And then bring it back to center. We're going to slowly make our way into a spinal twist. So you're going to lift your knees up once again. Make sure your knees are in line with your hips. Knees are in line with your ankles, flexing your feet. Open the arms out into a T position. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, drop your knees over to your right side. As you release your legs over there, right? Let them just simply soften, and then take your gaze in the opposite direction. I love spinal twists because you're able to feel that release of tension and stress, not only in your spine, but you release it through your hips, your chest, as well as your shoulders. And then as you release your head to one side, you're relaxing and releasing tension through your neck. Close the eyes and enjoy this moment. Relax your shoulders. Relax the tongue in the mouth. And just feel the easy release from your hips to the crown of your head. One more breath. Slowly begin to lift the knees back up. Take your time and drift them over to the other side. And if you hear a little pop or crack, it's totally okay. Take your head, drift it over to the opposite shoulder. Close the eyes and simply enjoy the twist. Continue to breathe deeply in and out through your nose. One more breath. And slowly begin to bring your head back to center and roll all the way over to that side. Use your palms to gently lift your body up. And we're going to make our way into a comfortable cross-leg position. So we're going to take one breathing practice, and this may be new to you, and that's totally okay. But the thing that I love about this breathing practice is that it helps to balance out the right and left sides of your brain. When we're flying, when we're fatigued, when we're jet lagged, things are definitely out of balance. So this breath kind of brings our body and our mind in line with one another and kind of brings us back into harmony. So you're going to place one hand on your knee, and then you're going to take your right hand, drop your fingers in towards one another, like right to your palm, and then the other fingers are actually out. So your thumb is sticking out, your ring finger, and your pinky finger. If this is too much for you, you can actually drop all the 3 inner fingers in, so you're leaving your pinky finger and your thumb out. So either variation works, and then of course your left hand is just simply resting on your knee. You're going to take your thumb, close off your right nostril. You're going to breathe into the left. And then take that hand, close off your left nostril, and exhale through the right. Inhale through your right nostril, close it off, and exhale through the left. So you're moving back and forth, yeah? Breathe in, close off your left, and exhale through your right. Inhale through the right. Close it off, and exhale through your left. So that's 2 cycles. Let's take 2 more. Breathe in, close off the left nostril, exhale out of the right. Inhale through your right. Close it off, exhale through your left. Final round, breathe in through the left. Close it off, and exhale. Inhale through the right. Close it off, and exhale through your left. And then release both hands to your knees, palms facing down, just as we did in the beginning of our practice. Close the eyes and just simply focus on breathing in and out through your nose. I also want you to simply scan the body and observe and notice the shifts and changes. You're a little more open through your hips, you feel a little more release through the spine, and your shoulders are much more relaxed as the chest expands. Deep breath in. Exhale. Slowly begin to open your eyes, and there you have it. Our simple little jet lag practice, and know that you can do this anytime. It doesn't even matter if the flight's been 3 to 10 hours long or you've flown completely around the world. Anytime you need to release and let go and recharge after a long flight, jump into this practice. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you soon.